Guess what? Just in August 2025, Total Energies Marketing Ghana paid a final dividend of 2 cedis 56 pesos per share. Yes, you heard that right. If you had put 5,000 Ghana cedis into Total Energies before the ex-dividend date, that was July 16th, you would have bought about 143 shares, because 5,000 cedis divided by 35 cedis per share is approximately 143 shares. That means, just in dividends, you would have pocketed around 367 Ghana cedis, just for owning the stock. That's real cash in your account. And that leads us to why you're watching this video. Because there are Ghanaian stocks right now paying dividends that are just as juicy, and in many cases, even higher. I'll show you 5 top dividend stocks in Ghana that could bring you both good passive income and stock price growth, doubling your opportunities to build wealth fast. Stick with me. You might regret missing the next payout. What are dividends and why do they matter? Okay, let's slow it down and clear something up. What exactly is a dividend? Think of it like this. Imagine you and a few friends put money together to start a small bakery. You all chip in to buy ovens, flour, and pay staff. After 1 year, the bakery makes a nice profit. Now, 2 things happen. 1. The value of your share in the bakery goes up, because the business is worth more. That's like the capital gain when a stock price increases. 2. But the bakery doesn't just sit on all the profit. The owners decide to share part of the profits with you because you helped fund the business in the first place. That cash they hand you? That's the dividend. Here's a quick example to make it stick. Suppose you bought a stock at 10 cedis. A year later, the price rises to 12 cedis. That extra 2 cedis is your capital gain. But if the company also pays you 1 Ghana cedi per share as dividend, then you've earned in 2 ways. The stock price went up, and you got extra cash in hand. It works the same way with companies on the Ghana Stock Exchange. When a company makes profit, the directors can decide to give part of it back to shareholders as dividends. So if you own even 1 share, you get your cut. Why is this so powerful in Ghana right now? Think about inflation. Every month, the prices of rice, fuel, transport keep going up. If your money is just sitting in a savings account, earning 2 or 3% interest, you're actually losing value. But if you're earning 7, 8, or even 10% a year in dividends, that's money coming in to beat inflation. And if you reinvest it, your money starts making more money. That's when things get interesting. The top 5 dividend stocks. Now, let's look at the top 5 dividend-paying stocks in Ghana right now, ranked from the smaller payouts to the biggest. And I'll explain what the numbers mean as we go along, so it's crystal clear. Number 5. At number 5, we have Ecobank Ghana, EGH. This bank has been a consistent payer over the years. For 2025, they declared a dividend of about 31 pesos per share. Now, with the share price currently around 9 cedis 2 pesos, that gives you a dividend yield of about 3.47%. It may look small in percentage terms, but remember, Ecobank is one of the heavyweights on the exchange, and for large investors, those payouts really add up. The key with Ecobank is stability and a long history of rewarding shareholders. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is Enterprise Group, EGL. They're in the insurance and financial services sector, and they declared about 12.6 pesos per share. With the current share price of 3 cedis, that works out to a dividend yield of roughly 4.2%. It's not massive, but it's a nice steady stream, and companies in insurance tend to have predictable cash flows, which is exactly why they can keep rewarding their investors consistently. Number 3 is Total Energies Ghana, the oil marketing giant. They declared a chunky dividend of 2 cedis 56 pesos per share, and with the stock currently trading at about 35 cedis, that gives you a dividend yield of 7.3%. That's more than double what you'd typically get from a savings account in the bank. And because they operate in fuel and energy, an industry Ghana's economy depends heavily on, their payouts are not only generous, but also fairly sustainable. Hey, if you're truly learning something from this video, smash that like button and drop a quick comment. Maybe just say, "I'm learning," or "I'm listening," so I know you're with me. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend who also wants to build wealth. And here's the fun part. We've started the Willpower Community, a space on WhatsApp and Telegram where we have real interactive conversations about investing, finance, wealth creation, and sharing financial opportunities together. It's very insightful and educative. The WhatsApp and Telegram channel link is in the description and in the pinned comment as well. So check them out, join in, and let's build wealth together. Number 2. Taking the number 2 spot is MTN Ghana, the telecom giant we all use daily. Now here's the beauty of MTN. They pay dividends twice a year. Combined, their 2025 payout amounts to about 30.5 pesos per share. With the share price currently at 3.75 pesos, that's an impressive 8.13% dividend yield. What this means is if you invested 1,000 cedis into MTN shares, you'd receive about 81 cedis in dividends in just 1 year, straight into your Momo wallet if you choose. It shows how a smaller dividend per share can still produce strong returns when the stock price is lower. Number 1. And finally, at number 1 we have GCB Bank, Ghana's oldest and one of its strongest banks. For 2025, they declared a dividend of 1 cedi per share. With the stock price currently at 12 cedis, 12 pesos, that works out to a dividend yield of about 8.25%. That means if you had invested 5,000 cedis, you'd pocket over 400 cedis in dividends this year alone. That makes GCB the king of dividends right now, combining both reliability and one of the juiciest yields in the market. Here's a quick explanation to the ex-dividend date. This is the deadline you must own the stock to get the next payment. Think of it like a guest list at a party. If your name isn't on the list by the cutoff date, you don't get in. In the same way, if you buy the stock after the ex-dividend date, you've missed that payment and will have to wait for the next one. So always check the company's dividend announcement and make sure you buy before the ex date. How to grow wealth using dividend stocks and compounding. Now, here's where this gets exciting. Let's say you own MTN shares worth 1,000 cedis, and you get about 78 cedis in dividends this year. You could spend it, sure. But what if you use it to buy more MTN shares? Next year, you're not earning on 1,000 cedis, you're earning on 1,078. Then the next year, it's on 1,160 plus. This snowballs. At a higher yield like Total Energy's 10%, the effect is even faster. Start with 5,000 cedis, reinvest each year, and in about 7 years, you could double your dividend income without adding a pesewa of your own money. That's the magic of compounding. Your money works harder than you do. Timing strategy to benefit from dividends payment. One last thing. Timing is key. Always watch out for dividend announcements. The Ghana Stock Exchange website, financial news platforms, or even brokerage updates will tell you the ex-dividend date. Buy before it, and you're locked in for that payout. Miss it, and you'll have to wait months. And in investing, time is literally money. Final take. So, there you have it. 5 dividend stocks in Ghana that could help you build wealth faster than most savings accounts ever could. From steady payers like Ecobank to high-yield giants like Total Energies, the opportunities are real. The earlier you start, the faster your compounding engine starts running. If this video has given you value, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to start investing smart. Drop a comment with the stock you're most excited about, or the one you wish you had bought earlier. Let's grow this wealth together.